It doesn't matter if you're traveling tonight, tomorrow, Friday, Saturday, or traveling back home on Sunday, you've got snow to contend with.
Yeah, that's right. The lake effect machine really does start to pick up for all of us as we're going into around this time tomorrow. And once it gets going, it's really not going to stop anytime soon. We're still talking about that snow areas for the UP as you go past the midnight hour tonight. But then again, towards this time tomorrow, Friday, and even getting into the weekend, we're going to have the classic setup as we go throughout the next few days for some lake effect snow. And it does look to pile up for several areas from now until we're getting into the end of the weekend. Great news for the ski resorts as well as the trails. Let's go ahead and talk about it. Future View, there's a look at it. Still that better chance for some of the lake effect. This is later into the evening past midnight tonight. Watch what happens though. We start to add a little bit more of the northerly component to the wind, so areas further downstate going into northern lower. As we're going later into the day tomorrow, by the time we get into Thanksgiving by the afternoon, we start to increase the coverage of these lake effect snow showers. And really, once we get that going later into Thursday evening, heading back home from any Thanksgiving festivities, maybe you're heading out early to do some Black Friday shopping early on Friday morning, you're still going to be talking about these lake effect snow showers. And even still, this is going to be something we talk about for the next several days. We really don't have a chance to say no to these lake effect snow showers until we're going into mid next week. So this is going to be a classic setup that we talk about over the next several days, at least for the rest of tonight, very early on into Thursday morning. Again, the chances there for a few more inches as you're going primarily north of the bridge. We'll talk about more of the snow totals for all of us as we're going later into the week. National Weather Service at this point for the system we're talking about, or at least the lake effect event we're talking about. Later by Friday into the weekend, you do now have winter storm watches in play for the Upper Peninsula. That does include Chippewa and Luce counties. That's going to be later into tomorrow afternoon by our Saturday evening. As you're going south of the bridge, this does include Antrim, Otsego, Kalkaska, Crawford, and Charlevoix counties. So the classic snow belts really looking to get in on some of that snow. Now, this is taking a look at the probabilities of seeing 4+ inches, and pretty much right where we did just show you those winter storm watches as you're going a little bit farther north. That's going to be the better chance we talk about for the snow to really pile up as we're getting into the weekend. So that is definitely something we'll follow for you there. Current conditions out there right now, Manistee, 35 degrees, light breeze coming out of the east-northeast at about 2 miles per hour. 35 a common number. Also your current temperature as we take it about Pleasant. So let's get you numbers past midnight tonight. Again, near the tip of the Mint, going into eastern upper, maybe another inch or two, still with the westerly wind. Numbers as you go near the Sioux tonight, 27 near the Straits, 29 as we get into your Thanksgiving. There's a look at the numbers farther downstate, western lower. It's cold again tonight, 20s. Kalkaska, 26. Lake City back near 23 going into the overnight tonight. Eastern lower still, mid to upper 20s. Alpena, Harrisville, 27. Mile back near 23, starting off your Thanksgiving. And last but not least, central lower, still some chilly conditions, but overall drier, at least for tonight, as we start off Thanksgiving. Numbers in the 20s, Clare and Gladwin, back near 24 as we do start off your Thanksgiving. So you might have to move like the turkey does to keep yourself a little bit warmer as we go into the day tomorrow. There's a look at your numbers. Only back into the 30s. Lake effect snow showers really do start to pick up as we get towards this time tomorrow. And check it out, I wasn't kidding. Pretty much every single day we have on there for you in the next 7 lake effect chances throughout Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Small Business Saturday if you're going to be out and about doing some shopping, and your overnight lows even colder, some in the teens. David, back to you.